Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're in Islamabad, the Grand Peace guest house. I really like it there, guys. About $20 US a night. But we're heading off today. As you would have seen in the last video, I was going to head towards Lahore yesterday, but I was feeling that lazy, and I'm kind of being punished for my laziness today because it's not the best day. They're predicting thunderstorms all the way to Lahore. But lucky I've got my winter gear. I carried that around the world for some reason. But I'm going to get on the road. I'll speak to you a bit later. Heading Sector 7, heading towards Lahore. I love it here, guys. This is a really, really good area. And as you saw in the last video, there's heaps of restaurants, shops, there's plenty to do here. You're not far from the Faisal Mosque and all the other touristy bits, as you would have seen in my video a couple of months ago here. Pakistan just, it fills my heart more and more every single day. Man, it's that big with Mad Dog Adventures. Look at that, guys, it's a whole building. Well, it's pretty cold and wet. Nice riding though. I've got a big grin on my face. I've just stopped for a cup of tea here. Then we'll get some more miles up. Stefan and Martin, they're somewhere on the road unless they decided to stay another day. But I'll see them. Shukriya, my friend. And I'm just having a lovely warm cup of chai. Oh. Very good, very gingery, very good, my friend, delicious. So we'll drink this chai and then we'll head a bit further down the road. And as usual, everyone wants to be on YouTube. These are my new friends. Oh guys, the other day I stopped here on my way to Islamabad, or on the way to Peshawar. And they were full then, now they're full again. I don't understand. Cold and wet, guys. Look at me. Soaked, my bag's soaked, everything. I can't find a hotel. I've been looking for a while, but it's still early. Like, it's still early. I've got plenty of time, but I don't want to be doing this anymore today. So the next hotel I see, I'm going to stop. I just stopped here to get dry for a bit. But now I've checked, there's a hotel just up the road according to Google Maps, but that's like, Google Maps is pretty good, but they're hotels and sometimes not the most accurate. But we'll head up the road and see. Oh, I'm freezing, guys. Yeah, blowing steam. Fingers are so numb. It's cold, but I think there's a hotel up the road here, maybe 15 minutes. Hope so, guys. It's cold. Look at that. Anyway, having a nice warm cup of chai. More to warm my hands up than anything. And then we'll get back on the road. Oh, guys, what a day. Thanks to Assad, I found this hotel. I would never have found this because it's not advertised as a hotel or anything. But now I've got a bed, Wi-Fi. I'm just going to relax and do nothing. Shukriya, my friend.
Thank you so much. Australia, Pakistan, long live and most welcome in Pakistan. Pakistan is peaceful and beautiful country. You come in Pakistan and enjoy this one moments. And I hope when you come in Pakistan, you feel good and peace. Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad. You guys all know how much I love Pakistan. So everything he said is true. Just waiting for these to be cooked. Gonna try one. Samosa. Samosa. And it's vegetarian or meat?
Vegetarian.
Okay. So sadly it's vegetarian, so I'll have to try it where they can't see in case I don't like it. But then I might go over here and have some barbecue maybe. Oh, it's so good, guys. It's kind of like the potato cakes that I like to eat in India. But I don't know if I'll be sleeping tonight because the owner insisted that he buy me a Coke. And I tried to say no, but when he said, no, it's my treat, and you can't say no then. That's full of sugar. I don't know if I'll be sleeping, but guys, this is delicious. I'd show you me eating a mouthful, but I can't hold the camera and eat. Oh, morning guys. I've got about 3 hours Google Maps to Lahore in this great weather. This is where I stayed last night, the Mizab. Luckily my friend Ahez I think, brought me to this hotel because it doesn't advertise as a hotel, it just advertises as a restaurant. But I had a good night's sleep. Terrible weather. It's supposed to have cleared up by now, like it's 10 o'clock in the morning. I was waiting for it to clear up, but hopefully it'll clear up as I'm riding. But if not, it's like I'm wearing a sauna at the moment, but as soon as I get on the bike I'll cool off again. Anyway guys, I'm going to get some miles up, get to Lahore. Yeehaw! And guys, we've got a train crossing. Everyone's stopping to say hello. These guys saying hello, a couple of them running away so they don't have to be on camera. But yeah, let's hope this one. Oh, no, here comes the train now, so I'd better put this away and get ready. Minutes we're past. At least there wasn't extra traffic blocking both sides of the road. But Pakistan isn't as bad as India for that. I hope you guys can see. I hope there's not too much water on this lens. Well, I stopped at a weekend. I saw a McDonald's, thought, yep, I'll have a quick breakfast here because my hotel didn't have breakfast. They don't have coffee, so I'm going to head down the road a bit further. I guess it saved me from eating McDonald's. This is the hotel that says that they're only allowed to have locals, not allowed to have foreigners, which I'm still a bit iffy about that. But if you watch the video when I first left Lahore, you'll remember this. Oh no, when I first came back, when I came back from Gilgit, that's when I came, when I was passing this way. Anyway guys, I'm going to go and find somewhere else to have some breakfast. I'll speak to you then. Here we are guys, into Lahore traffic again. You can't blame them for these roads though, because they're doing all this work up here. Google Maps is stuck in dark mode, which is apparently a glitch in the latest version, and I've got automatic updates, so it just happened to me yesterday. So, nothing I can do about it. It's bloody annoying though, because it's really hard to see. I can't tell you how far we are. We're less than an hour, but it is very, very annoying. God, this really is insanity. And I'm not sure if I had the camera turned on when I was talking to you before, but Google Maps, the latest edition's got a glitch. Keeps it in night mode all the time, so it's almost impossible to see. Hopefully get a new version pretty quick, because I'm not enjoying this one. I thought it was something wrong with me, but with my phone, like I'd done something wrong, but I googled it. Yeah, it's a glitch in the latest. Very annoying. Sorry guys, stopping and starting talking, but I really have to concentrate on what's going on here. It's been the worst traffic through here. Hopefully it finishes soon, but Google Maps still red for a while. Fucking idiots keep doing that. If everyone just kept a nice even pace and stayed in their lane, but everyone chops and changes and goes back and forwards, and it kind of stops everyone. I've still got a big grin on my face, guys. I want to jinx myself, but I think that's over. And all these birds, they must be fishing. Either that or they're waiting for me to pass out so they can eat my eyes. Oh, that was a hard hour or so. The move maybe a 2 or 3 kilometres. back at Zahar's shop, just picking up my spare air filter. He cleaned it and oiled it for me, so there's nothing wrong with Libby. Oh guys, what a ride getting here, because the army stopped me again this way. But you can come around this way, it's quite easy. But Google Maps kept taking me back past my hotel. I can't tell you how frustrating it was when I thought I was nearly there, and then suddenly there's my hotel in front of me. And because the Google Maps is stuck on night mode, you can't tell the time. You can't see the time at the bottom, so it's really very frustrating. But I'm here now, and when you're going back, as soon as you head in this direction, Google Maps takes you that way, so it's a lot easier getting back. But oh, what a morning. I left at 10 o'clock or maybe 10:15. It's about 1:45 now. Anyway guys, I'm going to go in and being a bit rude. I'm going to go in and chat with Zahar, and I'll speak to you later. Well, I got back a lot easier. Google Maps gives me a straight run here. If I'm leaving there, if I turn the wrong way, if I turn the opposite way to Google Maps, it gives me a straight run here. But when I leave here, Google Maps gets very confused, and it keeps trying to bring me back here. But anyway guys, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.